Hey, what's going on, everybody? Everybody loved that tutorial of Two Moons by Boywithuke, and everybody's been asking me to do more since apparently there's none of these on YouTube, so it's cool to be the first person to do it. But somebody requested Hazel Eyes or Ha Ha Hi, and we're gonna do Ha Ha Hi, and I'm gonna show you guys how to play it. But we're gonna start with the chords and then the strumming pattern, and then get to kind of how everything goes in the song, kind of like what we did last time. So let's get to it. Okay, so this song has like very simple chords, just one bar chord, but it's really easy. I'll show you guys. Okay, so it starts with a G, which is one chord that you guys probably already know if you've been playing ukulele for a while, but if you haven't, obviously I'm going to put the chords right here, but then I'm also going to show you. So the G, you want to get your middle finger, put it on the last string, 2nd fret. Your ring finger goes on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. It sounds like this. That's G. So first is G, then it goes to B minor, which we learned last time in the last song. You bar the 2nd fret, and then you get the top string on the 4th fret. So bar, and then this top string right here with your ring finger. That's B minor. So G, B minor, then it goes to E minor, which is just, it's like a staircase almost. Your first finger goes on the 2nd fret of the last string. Your 2nd finger goes on the 2nd string from the bottom and the 3rd fret. And then your ring finger goes on the 2nd string from the top on the 4th fret. And this is what E minor sounds like. And then the last one is C, which is just one finger on the last string, 3rd fret, which you should definitely know even if you're just a beginner in ukulele, because that was like one of the first strings. So literally the whole song is G, B minor, E minor, and C. And those are the chords. Super easy. Let's do the strumming pattern now. All right, I moved my camera down a little bit so you can kind of see the strumming a little bit more, but this strumming pattern is super easy and it's the same the whole song. There's not two different ones just like the other one. It's literally just down, mute, down, mute, down, mute, down, mute. So you just do that 4 times with each chord, and that's the whole song. But you can either pretend you're holding a pick and strum and then like hit with the back of your hand so it stops, or if you strum like this, then you can just strum and mute, strum and mute. It's just whatever you want to do, but literally the whole song is 4 with G, then 4 with B minor, then 4 with E minor, and then 4 with C. Ha ha hi, you've been on my mind. I feel quite alright when I first searched with your pretty eyes. I can't find out. See? That's the chorus. And literally his rapping parts, or whatever you want to consider those parts, the same thing. It's just the G, B minor, E minor, and C. Super simple. So let's just let's sing the first verse and the chorus, and then I can kind of just show you guys how it goes. And then if you guys want to practice, it's super easy to like play the song on Spotify, on YouTube, and then try to play along with it. And then that'll help you get it to do it exactly how he does it. But let's give it a try. I think we talked about a TV show that you liked. It's something I forgot cause I was thinking, whoa, her eyes real? Ain't no way you're gonna feel the way what I feel, but I guess I'm not a psycho cause I'm sitting in my automobile right now, singing as I steer my wheel. Oh dear, like how it's been well over a year. I don't believe it when she says she misses me, or when she kisses me. There must be an alternative motive. I miss it. So help me please to understand why you stuck around. It's like you hopped the fence and said nobody's allowed back here. I disregarded all of my fears. Oops. See, these rap parts are so hard. I'm used to singing and playing. This is crazy. Okay. I disregarded all of my fears and remembered when we first spoke words that say I'm here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha ha hi, you've been on my mind. I feel quite alright when I've got sights from your pretty eyes. I can't find out if you like the sound of my voice. It's a little squeaky, I try to make it sound deeper for you, my baby. A little rough. I don't know all the lyrics. All I do is jam to this in my car, but it's fun to actually try to play. So you guys requesting to learn how to play these songs makes me learn how to play them. And now I know I need to learn these lyrics better, because this might be one of those songs that I do a cover of. It's pretty fun. But yeah, that's a little snippet of it. Sorry that I messed up on the words, but I hope this helps you guys learn how to play it. It's a super simple song and it's really fun to play. Boy With Uke has some good taste in music creation. But I hope this helped you guys. So if you have any more song requests, I'd be glad to help.